Welcome to Odd Jobs. Today I'm going to show you how we calculated all of the angles, levels, and elevations for framing in this kind of tricky window. Stick around. Just thinking. We want to frame in this window, but we don't want to see this. And so our brilliant plan is to frame the window up to this point and hide this pipe. And bring the window frame right up to here. So that when we're done, this window frame is going to have this kind of look to it. And it's going to be tapered this side and tapered this side, and we're going to frame the window right in. Like a lot of these pallets provided me with a great deal of actually good lumber. This is 1 solid inch, and it might be just enough to frame the side of this. The other side, I'm happy with where this rests, but what I have to do is sister this piece, because this is part of the drywall and needs something to screw to. Close it up, huh? Good. Perfect. So now, I'll end up cutting this along there, and why don't I just do that, just to show you anyway. It's going to go like that. Well, it will be a perfect cut when I do it. That, I think, is going to be a good job. Okay, so I want to make this here. I want this to become a shelf. I want it to be level. And the easiest way I can ever figure out to do this, put your level here on a flat surface. Grab a piece of wood, one hopefully that's got a nice square cut on it, but it doesn't really matter. And I want to lift this up until the bubble reads level. Right there. Then I can take this piece of wood and I can screw it in. Even though this shifted, it should be okay. There you go. So this is the height of my shelf that I need. So now I can run a piece across from here to there to there. So these are going to be my support pieces. And here is going to be my shelf. Okay, and we'll go back at this again. So that's the height I need. I'm going to go around the back here. I'm going to make a line on this piece of wood. This wood, that's just my gauge. It's not going to go anywhere. Okay, so from back here, make sure we got the right height. That's pretty good. I'm okay with that. It's close, eh? It's very close. Next, we put the level on there. When you're working with the level, this side here, the one that has a groove in it, that is the more precise edge. So I always try and lay that down. On the other side, yeah, probably flat. It'll probably work this way, but this is the way it was designed to sit. So I just make a habit to use it that way. So here, I'm going to look at this level. I'm just going to slowly push this side down until it's level. Excellent. Now, right there. And then I'm going to put a hole of screw in there. And then we've got this one over here. Okay. That will be okay. So I want to do the same here. I have to find the right thickness of wood. Actually, that is the thickness of wood. Just screw that down in there, and then I can put my piece of drywall on that. Good idea. Full of ideas today. if this works here, then it should work there as well. No, it won't. This is a lot thicker. A lot thicker. Think that'll be okay? Do you think that'll be okay? I think that'll be okay. Yeah, put another one just for fun. Nice job. We're gonna try the same trick there. With a bit of a modification. So, first thing I'm going to try with this one is it's a little different. That might be the level right there. We don't know yet. I'm going to have to put a level on it. Level's got to go to there. So I can undo this. It's not helping any. It's not holding up anything. So we're going to put the level back here where we can see it. And we're going to lift that up. Good. This time we're going to leave this here, the drywall and everything, because the piece that's going across here is at this height, not this height. There we go, and just like that. That's going to work just fine. Now you know exactly what I'm thinking, right? I think putting a piece there would make more sense. Let's see if I can find a couple of pieces laying around. Okay. So I can put a piece there. Yeah. Make sure this is level. Wouldn't that be horrible? So now that I know everything's good, I can put a piece of this up there. Drive a screw in there. Right. And I can put one up as well. So if you keep your eyes open, you see kinds of possibilities of how to put something together like this. If I can put a screw here, right now, I can put a screw through there. And that'll hold this piece into place. Alright, let's make sure that the still going to be level. Well, it's still level there. Awesome. Now I can take this apart. Let's just try this out. So we can look at this one here now. And it's nice and level. So that's what it's gonna end up looking like on the top, the bottom, and the two sides. I actually kind of want to go get some drywall and just put it in right now because it's gonna look so awesome. If you found this little video good or interesting or anything like that, give it a thumbs up or subscribe, all that kind of stuff. Thanks for watching Odd Job.